So students, today we are going to study about tides, the periodic rise and fall of the sea level. Usually twice a day in a particular place is known as tide. So this is the rise and fall of the sea level. Tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun and the earth's rotation. Here you can see that three things led to the occurrence of tides. That means periodic rise and fall of the sea level. First thing is that gravitational pull of moon, the gravitational pull of the sun, and the rotation of earth. So these three things influence the water of ocean to rise and fall. When the gravity of the moon pulls the earth, when the gravity of the moon pulls the earth at a particular location, high tide occurs. When it releases its pull, the water level comes down and low tides occur. Okay, so when moon pulls the water of the earth, then high tides occur, and when it releases its pull, then the low tides occur. Exceptionally high tides are caused during the full moon and new moon. So on these days, full moon and new moon day, you can see very high tides. We call them spring tides. Okay, हम इनको spring tides बोलते हैं, बहुत बड़ी tides. On the other hand, when the moon is in its first and last quarter, exceptionally low tides, very low tides occur. These are called neap tides. Okay, here you come to learn about two things, that what are spring tides and what are exceptionally high tides are known as spring tides. Happens on full moon day and new moon days. Exceptionally low tides occur during the first and last quarter. These are called neap tides. Okay. Now importance of tides. So what is the importance of tides? की importance क्या? Why tides are important for us? So tides have great commercial importance, especially for fishing and shipping industry. Okay, due to the tides, the fish comes towards the shore. What they get accumulated on a particular place when where the or they just rise up to the ocean surface from where they can be caught easily. They also bring the fish from far, very deep inside or far distance near the shores. So it benefits the fishing industry, and how the shipping industry is benefited because tides helps the ships to sail faster. Okay, it reduces their cost of transportation. Heavy freighters can enter shallow ports only at high tide when the water is deepest. So जो बहुत बड़े बड़े ships होते हैं वो जब पानी ज़्यादा आता है tides के कारण, तब वो shallow ports बन जाते हैं, तब वो deep water में उतर सकते हैं या आ सकते हैं. Fishing boats are also subject to the rise and fall of tidal waters. Tidal energy, which can be harnessed during high tide, is an eco-friendly source of energy which never get exhausted. So that what we call the energy which never gets exhausted, we call it renewable energy. So tidal energy is a renewable source of energy, and it is also eco-friendly because it does not produces any pollution. Now what we have here is a map. You can see map showing ocean currents of the world. Ocean currents of the world are being shown in this map. Through this map you can see. Now what we have learnt, let's revise or take a recap of the events we studied in this chapter. So what we have learned, the earth is called a blue planet because it is covered with water. Most of the earth's waters are saline and are found in oceans and seas. The movement of water from the hydrosphere to the atmosphere and then to the lithosphere and biosphere and back to the hydrosphere is known as water cycle. So अलग-अलग domains में when water transforms and travels, it forms water cycle. Oceans make up 71% of Earth's surface and are interconnected. Hence, they formed a single water body. Sometimes earthquake and volcanic activities deep down the ocean floors give rise to gigantic waves called tsunamis, which travel at great speed and are like gigantic balls of water. Warm ocean currents are dense and flow below the surface of oceans. Okay, so जो cold ocean currents so dense होती है और ocean surface के नीचे चलती हैं, whereas on the other hand hot ocean currents they are light and hence they flow over the surface of oceans. Okay, exceptionally high tides are caused during full moon and new moon days. Such tides are called spring tides, and when the moon is in its first and last quarter, neap tides occur. So students, here I want to explain one thing more. Whenever all the three heavenly bodies, that is Earth, the Moon, here we are writing Moon, and the Sun, they fall on the same line. जब वो एक सेम लाइन में आ जाते हैं, then exceptionally high tides occur. फिर बहुत ही बड़ी टाइड्स occur देखने को मिलती है समुद्र में. Okay, they are also known as the spring tides. So this was all about our chapter